Hello guys, today I am going to share with you the bacteria killing recipe. Detoxification is the process of removing harmful toxins from the body. While the body is designed to eliminate toxins naturally, sometimes the amount of toxins can overwhelm the system, leading to health problems. One way to support the body's natural detoxification process is by consuming foods and supplements that have antibacterial properties. Bacteria-killing detox can help to cleanse the kidneys, liver, and lungs, which are the primary organs responsible for eliminating toxins from the body. This recipe contains natural antibacterial compounds that can help to kill harmful bacteria in the body and support the body's natural detoxification process. Please subscribe, like and share this channel. 1 tangerine, 50 grams walnuts, 1 piece of ginger cut into pieces, 1 grapes, 1 carrot cut into pieces, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 300 milliliters of water, mix all the ingredients together. One glass with each meal. Repeat the recipe every day for a week. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you have enjoyed it and I hope that you have found it helpful. Please subscribe, like and share. If you enjoyed this video, you are welcome to comment and let us know what you think. More videos will be uploaded to this channel. And I will see you again soon.